hadith of Rasulullah alayhi salatu wasalam that my ummah will be divided into sects. So if we are following the Quran and the Sunnah on the understanding of Sahaba, so inshallah we can say that we are of the rightly guided sect. Because there are some people who they don't follow as per the understanding of the Sahaba, but they call themselves Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah. So how we can differentiate? Okay, no, the understanding is also as per the understanding of the Sahaba. It has to match with that.
If you read the full hadith, you will find the answer. The Prophet ﷺ said, and my ummah, my nation, will be divided into how many sects? 73. All of them in the hellfire except one. That means one ummah will be saved. The Sahaba immediately asked, which one is this sect? The Prophet ﷺ said, مَا أَنَا عَلَيْهِ الْيَوْمَ أَصْحَابِي. This sect who are following me and and they are following me and my companions.
Okay,
so it is clear. So it is not accepted to say, well, I am from Ahl Sunnah al Jama'ah and I'm following only the Quran and Sunnah and I'm not following the Sahaba. Then you are not following the Quran and Sunnah. Because the Quran and Sunnah tell you to follow the Sahaba. Clearly.